Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and welcome back to the second week of the Friendship and Love Hop. For this week, we have Mom to Create, we have myself, we have Deb Hawk, Boricua's Crafting 100, K&E Crafty Shop, Scrap Memories by Anna FG, Deborah Sweeny, Teresa's Creation, and Judy Parker. Deborah will not be able to join us this week. She notified me that she is under the weather, so hopefully, Deborah, you'll feel a lot better and you'll be able to either join us at a later time during the week with your projects, or we'll see your project on next Sundays, on week 3. And then you could probably just upload it then. So for the most part, you guys, this week we had to do an altered box or create a box. And pretty much that's what I did. I went ahead and altered one of those Valentine Hearts candy boxes, since they're already all over the stores. My hubby bought me this little box of chocolates, which has no chocolate in it anymore because that thing went fast. But for the most part, what I did is I altered this this candy box, and I covered the bottom with some cardstock, and I didn't finish the bottom yet, but mostly I just pretty much covered it because since this is going to kind of lay on all kinds of places, I didn't want to add like too much lace or anything like that here. But I might be adding maybe some feet around it just so that it has a little bit of leverage, but mostly it's pretty much all done. And this is what it looks like. I added about 2.5 inches to 3 inches of cardstock going all the way around, and then I added this little trim here. It's like these cute little leaves, these little vines, and I added that one on each side on the top, and then one on each side in the bottom. And this is pretty much what it looks like, and I think it came out super cute. On the inside, I did add some. This is like an elastic trim, which is also what I am using as somewhat of a belly band for this to kind of hold the box together. And I'll show you what that looks like once it's all said and done. This is the outside of the original box. So I left that as it was because it matched the roses. So I didn't really decorate nothing here on the bottom. I left that kind of as it is. And then for the top cover, this is what the inside looks like, and you can still see some of that plastic trim that's all around it. This box originally was really tiny, like it was about maybe not even an inch in height, so it was really small. So I like things larger, so I went ahead and made it, I gave it a little bit of height, and this kind of just sits over the top like so. And I just think it makes such a lovely presentation for a gift. So what I did to the top is that I went ahead and added some scrapbooking paper. This is like a kind of like a watercolory type of paper in the background. And then this is from a 6x6 paper pad in which I just cut out, this little floral arrangement in the top. And pretty much I added some pink lace. I added 2 different kinds of lace here. It's like a very light pink. I added some little flatbacks to the top of that just to give it a little bit of pop. And here I added some flowers. And here I added some fabric flowers that I just kind of folded over and just tucked them into places and added like a few of them to just give it a little bit more, make it look a little bit more fuller. Here I added some little stamens in like a very pastel kind of yellow. I added some of that eyelash trim here and put a little butterfly there. And this is more or less what my box looks like. And here on the bottom, which I didn't show you guys, I also have some trim here. This is like a double layer trim, and I just thought it was fitting because it has like little hearts all along the little border here, and I thought that was super cute. And also added a little bit of a skirt. I'm sorry for the noise outside, you guys. I don't know if that's showing through or in the video. I've tried to make this video 3 times already, which is why it doesn't have his belly bands. The first time the church bells started going off, and then the second time the post office bells started going off, and now somebody seems to be stuck in the snow. So yes, it's been that kind of morning, you guys. Yay! So this is pretty much how this kind of goes, and this is elastic, so I just kind of fold it Put it in like so. And this is pretty much how I was holding it. I'm not the best at bow making, so it is what it is. But right now, this is just gonna be it's just gonna be here. So if I find something a little bit better to wrap it with, then I'll do that. Because I'm definitely not feeling this whole bow situation here. So I might just make the belly bands and just tie it together and then just attach a bow to it that's already pre-made, which is probably the way I'm going to go. But this is more or less how that kind of looks. Hopefully I'm in frame. And it holds my box together. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to have all the wonderful ladies that are in the hop down below. Please go and check out all of their channels, all of their links. Show them some love, especially in this day and age with everything that's going on with YouTube. You guys' support is so valuable to us. It's so much appreciated. And it definitely gives us the motivation and the encouragement to know that we have you guys supporting us, you know, and let's make it, you guys. Let's push through this whole situation and you know, see you guys on the other side, as they say. Thank you all so much for watching, and have an awesome day, you guys. Goodbye.